what is reality? We create our world from inside out through our perceptions. This is really interesting aspect, because what we see the world outside, but that world actually exists within us. We actually live the world from inside out. See, what happens is, because I just mentioned we live a life through five senses, and when we let's see what happens when we see things through our eyes. When we see an object, through the pulses, through the energy, that image gets transferred to our optic nerve, and there's a nerve which is connected through the eye and to the back of the brain, and we reconstruct that image inside our brain. That happens like very fast, within a fraction of a second, right? So actually what's happening is, you see something and that image gets reconstructed, and then we make that image out with our perception. So sometimes what happens is, it's happened in history, if we haven't seen something, it's not built into our perception, we cannot see it. There's an interesting story when the Spanish first went to the Spanish, when they first went to South America. They landed in South America. They came on a big ship. So there was these local medicine man, the local elder. He came and greeted the Spanish, and he says, "How did you guys come?" He says, the Spanish said, "We came on this big ship, which was docked out on the sea." So these the local people couldn't see the big ship, because never seen the big ship. It wasn't built into the perception. They could see the small boat, but they couldn't see the big ship. When I was young, my father, who was in the military, he bought two helpers from the hills. And these, they were about 17, 18 years old, but they'd never seen, they've lived in the high mountains, above Shimla. So they'd never seen a ceiling fan, because in the hills they didn't have a ceiling fan. So when they first saw a ceiling fan, they didn't know how to see the ceiling fan. So they would look at the ceiling fan and start rotating their head with the ceiling fan. So they thought this is how you see a ceiling fan, and slowly it got built into the perception. Now if you look at your other sense, which is sense of listening, when you're hearing something, right? So what's happening is, through the vibrational mode, the sound gets triggered and goes through your, there's a nerve through the ear which gets transferred inside, and you decode everything and rebuild it. So what you're doing basically is, you're listening to me, but then you're decoding everything according to a perception. And you could be saying something to people, and they only get what they want to get. They'll only listen to you what they want to listen, according to their perception. Now, that's why they say when you are actually listening, there's only like 2-3% effect on people. The rest is through the vibrational mode, because we are all energy bodies, so the energy actually gets transferred. That's how we change, and that's how we understand. Again, the sense of taste. You could give one food to 1,000 people, and each one of them will have a different answer. Because what they're doing is, they're tasting the food, and with the tongue, the taste buds get activated, and they'll all have a different answer. Some would say, "Oh, I like it hot, I like it cold, or I like chilies," or so everything is built according to perception. So what exactly is reality? In actual sense, there is no reality. Reality is what you create. So you can create any reality you want, right? You're not limited by physical reality. So what you could create is this whole big reality. Can you imagine when internet was invented? Like when we were growing up, there was hardly any telephones. So I actually didn't even know how to use a telephone when I was a kid. But today people are living by internet. If somebody would have said like 30, 40 years back that this is going to happen, there'll be emails and there'll be files transferred and there'll be pictures and there'll be Facebook, people would have said, "Oh, you're crazy." When the first man said the earth is round, they actually killed him, because that wasn't really built into the perception. So our perceptions can be changed. We can create our own reality.